kids, today we will draw a new video with a new scenery. We will try to make fast, color and draw. Today our topic is to draw and color a submarine. Already we are starting to color the submarine. The lower part of the submarine color is red and we give the shade of orange, and the upper portion color is blue. It is dark blue, and in front of the submarine the color is green, and in the middle there is we use yellow. In the tail we use pink. Brown color we use at the top portion. Do you see before a submarine? Submarine can flow in the water. I am not seen submarine before. And you, my little friend? Now we use the deep blue color to fulfill the color of drops of the water. And the watercolor where the submarine is flowing, light blue color we are using to fulfill the background. In there the background means the water. In our scenery there have a fish. Our fish is very sweet. We are trying to make the shades. In our water, the waves in this scenery, this is a coloring fish. We are giving the yellow shade. Our picture is almost done, but our little baby is not complete. Now we will draw our little baby who is driving the submarine. The fan of the submarine we are coloring now. we are coloring the face of the little baby. We are giving shade. Oh, our little baby is wearing a cap. I have a nice cap. And have you any cap, my little dear kids? We are using the black color. Red color. Our picture is almost done. Please subscribe my channel, my little kid.